Rubiks Cube solved. No, hold on. I'm not watching. I'm not watching. Three, 2, 1, go. It's already 12 seconds? The hell, man? That fast? Gosh, help me. Alright, calm down. Calm down, you. Calm down. Calm the down. Calm the down. Calm the fuck down. Calm the down. Calm down. Calm down! Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so motherfucking scared. I am just so scared. Alright. I don't care now. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. Alright, I am officially going to die. Thank you, everybody.
What time?
2 minutes and 53 seconds. No, I mean 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Almost on my personal best, which is 2 minutes and 25.5 seconds. Anyway, I just learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube, which is just great.
Okay.
And you know, I know I'm just a really smart guy. So I'm next, someday I'm gonna learn how to solve 4 times 4 times 4, which is going to be before March, or take that before before March. I'll say that. See you.
See you.